Chase Online Bill Pay is a convenient digital service that allows you to manage and pay all your bills from one secure location. Let's walk through the simple setup process to get you started. Before you can use Chase Online Bill Pay, you'll need to meet a few simple requirements. First, you must have an active Chase checking or savings account. Second, you need to be enrolled in Chase Online Banking. If you haven't done this yet, you can easily enroll on the Chase website or mobile app. Finally, make sure you have a valid email address and phone number. These will be used for important notifications about your payments and account security. Once you meet these requirements, the setup process is straightforward. Start by logging into your Chase account either through chase.com on your computer or using the Chase mobile app. After logging in, look for the Pay Bills section in your account dashboard. This is typically found in the main navigation menu or on your account homepage. When you first access the bill pay service, you'll need to accept the terms and conditions. This is a one-time step that activates the bill pay feature for your account. Once setup is complete, you can access Chase Online Bill Pay from both your computer and mobile device. The mobile app provides the same full functionality, allowing you to pay bills on the go. With Chase Online Bill Pay now set up, you can conveniently manage all your bills from one secure location. You'll be able to schedule payments, set up automatic payments, and track your payment history, all with the security and reliability of Chase banking. Now that your Chase Online Bill Pay is set up, you can start adding payees to begin paying your bills electronically. There are two main types of payees you can add. For individual payees like landlords or service providers, you'll need to manually enter the recipient's name, complete address, and account number. This information ensures your payment reaches the correct destination. For business payees like utilities, credit cards, and major retailers, Chase maintains a database of over 100,000 preloaded merchants. Simply search for the company name and Chase will autofill the payment details. Here's what the Payee addition process looks like in practice. Once you add a new payee like Main Street Electric Company, Chase confirms the addition and shows you the delivery timeframe for payments. New payees typically require 1 to 2 business days for verification. During this time, Chase confirms the payee information and establishes the payment connection. You'll receive a notification once verification is complete. Chase offers 2 payment methods. Electronic payments are faster and typically processed the same day if submitted before 11 p.m. Eastern Time. Paper checks take 3 to 5 business days and are mailed via USPS. Scheduling payments is straightforward. For one-time payments, simply select the payment date, enter the amount, and choose which account to use for funding. The system will show you when the payment will be delivered. For recurring payments, you can set up weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or quarterly frequencies. This is perfect for regular bills like rent, utilities, or loan payments that occur on a predictable schedule. Autopay takes convenience even further by automatically detecting bill amounts and scheduling payments. Here's how you can manage automatic payments directly from the Chase mobile app, including the ability to change or cancel them as needed. Autopay works by linking to specific bills and automatically detecting the amount due each billing cycle. You can set it up for credit cards, utilities, and other recurring bills, ensuring you never miss a payment deadline. Understanding processing times helps you plan your payments effectively. Electronic payments submitted before 11 p.m. Eastern Time are processed the same day and typically arrive the next business day. Paper checks require 3 to 5 business days for delivery via USPS, so plan accordingly for time-sensitive payments.